we make Baghdad more normal. It's been 2 years since President Bush signed the Patriot Act into law. The act gave the federal government new powers to fight against terrorism, but some Americans are worried that it gives the government too much power, and they say it jeopardizes civil liberties. Weigh-ins below. Rooftops have exploded in flames.
Come out in the light.
After another. It is a monstrous inferno, and right now there doesn't seem to be much that can stop it.
So those two, they just won't stay out of the house, huh?
Aren't they cute? Yes.
You won't
They're
stay out of the
so
house.
cute.
Rooney.
Okay, I don't want to get him.
Rooney.
This is the new one. This is the... Look at the little new one.
Is the light on?
Yeah. Yeah. Look at Jason. What a baby.
Make your little coon noises.
Look at this. Yeah, look at this. Look at your tail. They're really good for the way I'm holding them. I better let them down though, they're starting to squirm. Okay, let's go right here. Where do you want them?
Anywhere.
Okay, right here.
Just make your little noises. See if you can get them to make noises. So funny watching. It's like a little ballet. They kind of turn a spin and then spin the other way. And so you promise you've never seen these coons before. I feel like I'm being set up. Like, oh yeah, these little coons just wandered up.
They did just wander up.
We'll wonder where their mommy is.
Oh no, poor babies. This is the first one, I think, and he's a little scared.
Well, I'm a little scared.
I wonder if we can see if it's a female in here. Coonie.
Patty, they're following you in the house. Patty, they are following you in the house. They've got milk all over their feet.
Okay, come on, we're coming.
Now they're following you out of the house. Uh-oh, they're bonded to you, Patty. They think you're their mommy.
Yes. Yes. Come on, babies.
You can be Siegfried and Roy. You can be Patty.
Watch him, yeah, attack me.
The magnificent Patty as she tries to pry the baby coon off her jugular vein. Well, I still say that it doesn't get any cuter than this.
Oh, they are adorable.
They're like bears, only not quite so threatening. They are. I think they're related to bears. I'm not related to a dog.
Their paws are so soft.
I bet a baby bear's paws are pretty soft. I think you speak their language, Patty.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, don't get so upset looking.
And this light is still on? Isn't that incredible?
They're so cute. I like a stuffed one. Not a real, not like one of these.
Nice,
a
Patty.
little stuffed
Say
animal.
that. Cover your ears, little baby.
I wouldn't stuff
Aunt
them.
Patty is getting weird.
I wouldn't stuff them.
Aunt Patty is getting weird. Cooney. 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 Ooh, Cooney. Ooh.
Okay, Coonies, I'm gonna go in.
You're getting tired.
I had enough play. Well, it's too bad Jimmy didn't come down. You could make a hole right there. Go climb in bed. Lights out. Did you turn it out?
Well, the next thing we have to do is have an LCD screen that is not, that you can see from an angle. You have to look at these LCD screens head on in order to be able to see what it's filming.
Yeah. You have to turn it if you... Baby.
Yeah, you're safe in there. They could never, ever get you in there. That is one safe spot in there. Is that your new home? Right in our front door? Yeah, you're the babies.
Well, it'd be cool to have a little house right here for them.
Well, it's just such a sad thing, because they probably will end up getting run over. They're so sweet. I still think they're about the sweetest little babies you can find. Maybe I could put a chain on them like I did Weezer and have them run back and forth across the chain.
That's a little boy.
Ooh, baby.
Rocky and Roxy.
Call them. You do your little call.
Does that one have a stripe down his middle of his eyes there? Is it? Yeah, they both kind of do, I guess. Just the way the light was hitting him. Look, I think this is the second one. Yeah. And this was the first one. Hey. Yeah. They don't think about that light. They can watch their back. Come here, I can check you. Yeah, I can check you. They're curious. I've got you now. I've got you now.
Don't let them bite you.
Ooh, that's one starting to bite. But it wasn't hard.
I'm glad this is a moving camera. They'd be right on top of it. You're a little baby. I like you. You're a good little baby. Oh, yes. Oh, one little... Yeah, here. No, I'm just... What's going on?
What's the light flashing?
Probably saying it's running out of battery, running out of...
Where's this?
I wouldn't zoom, I'd just pull forward. Why would you bother trying to zoom when you can do it with your hands? Yes. Oh boy. Here you go, one little, can you get my hand holding him?
Oh yeah.
Torturing him? Oh yes, that was bad. That was real bad. Real bad. Oh, now just tatter at me. What's the matter with him? Is he crazy? Is he kind of crazy? Is he kind of crazy?
Oh, I think that's no film, Tom.
Okay, well let's see it.
I don't think it's going. That's what the whole time I've had it.
Well, maybe not a minute. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, it's about time it runs out of film.
Well, it's been now.
Go film, it's not running, so let's go back. We'll play it. We'll go rewind. Oh, I've got to go to